How's it going, everybody? What I want to do today is go through a few listings, three in particular, that I've gotten off of movers and shakers. This is right now what we're looking at on the screen is the Merch Informer uh, movers and shakers tool, and basically this kind of shows you products that have had spikes in sales, over the last day or two, depending on the kinds of settings that you. This is the daily uh, period that I've set. Also, you can see here weekly, monthly, and basically, what I wanted to do is look at the health. That's the way that it's described of these listings, and this using the listing score checker. It's right off the screen here, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So we're going to be looking at the information from the, like I said, movers and shakers, and this is the first listing that we're going to be looking at. We're going to look at the actual listing. We're going to look at the brand name. We're going to look at the title, some of the key points, and then actually how it was rated by the Merch Informer listing score checker, and why. So just to give you kind of an idea of uh, how you should format the information on your listings, and how that information will be used to show these products to your customers, so that it would be used in the search engine optimization, and basically just kind of give you a glimpse of how that works. So the first one, and again, I'm not gonna go over all these tools like movers and shakers I've done before on my channel, but it, like I said, it's showing these products that have kind of spiked in sales. So the first one that I wanted to look at is this one, kindergarten, we are done first grade, dabbing unicorn graduate T-shirt. Now I see a lot of these on Amazon, not just for first grade, but you can imagine like how scalable this design is. And that's why I chose it, because there are so many of them, and again, you can scale this, and even if we're trying to figure out what here we can change, you can change kindergarten, you can change first grade, you can change the unicorn. Like there's literally like a thousand different combinations with this design that you can do. So basically, this is what you get. This is the title. The merchant is the brand name, is Funny Unicorn Graduation Gifts, Girls, Boys, Kids Tea. And then let's actually look here. They do have a few bullet points, and as you can see here, what they are. It basically just goes into, like, grab this T-shirt as a gift for your little daughter or son who will graduate kindergarten 2021. Wear this class of 2021 unicorn outfit for kids, boys, girls at the graduation party, blah, blah, blah. It goes on. So the way that the listing score checker grades this is it gives it a 25% optimization, but I have to be careful here to give you what I'm looking for. Is it the keywords that I've used are kids, kindergarten, right? And the reason I use that, just because it's the first two words here, right? Because this can, like if you want to promote it for unicorn lovers, you could, but they have to be in first grade. So I guess I could have done a search here for keywords like first grade, kindergarten gift, or something like that, right? But because I wanted to go with, kids, kindergarten, because they were the first two, like I said, words, and this is what it would be. So you can add words to this: kids, kindergarten, gift, kids, kindergarten, first grade. But I just wanted to go with that kind of like general theme, and it gives it optimization of 25% because there's only a match in the title for these words. So there's no match in the brand name. There's no match for this combination of words in the features or the description, and the description is not over a thousand characters. So there's a lot kind of lacking. Even though, for example, this person has used the bullet points, they're not strategically using them. What happens a lot is people, especially people that are kind of newer to this, will go with keyword stuffing, right? They'll just throw in as many keywords as they think that would work. For example, even like, you know, uh, perfect from aunt, uncle, mom, dad, grandma. Like, who is it? Like, what exactly are you trying to promote here, right? So, ideally, what you want to do is you want to put the search terms that people will actually use in as many places as you can, because if somebody is looking for kids kindergarten t-shirt and they actually see this and it works and they click on it and buy it, that's how Amazon decides if they're going to promote your product to other customers. If somebody's looking, for example, for a dabbing unicorn, uh, and this product comes up, but they didn't want anything to do with the kindergarten or first grade, they will not click on it, and then going further, they will not buy it. So in the future, when somebody looks for a dabbing unicorn t-shirt, Amazon will not put this product in front of customers. And that's how that works. That's how search engine optimization works. You really have to get that click-through rate and you have to get that buy-through rate in order for Amazon to keep showing your products to other customers. So in this case, this actually gets a very low rating based on these words. Let's look at another one. And this one is actually interesting. I couldn't figure out if this was like a custom shirt. So this also spiked. Here it is. It got a sale. I'm not sure. 6 estimated sales, $50. So there is a chance that this was maybe, I'm just gonna go maybe, with like kind of like a private listing. There's no signs of that. I'm just kind of guessing and assuming. But let's look at this listing as if it was not, right? So this is International Jazz Day, Jazz Music Festival, right? $50, doesn't matter. It got 6 estimated sales and 50% optimization. So there's a match in the title, there's a match in the brand. Match in features, no. Match in description, no. Description over 1,000 characters, no. But let's go back and look at this. Look how, I don't even know what the word is. It's not unorganized, how wrong like this is. Like there's no match. And let's talk about keyword stuffing, right? Jazz Music Festival poster, perfect. Jazz Music Festival poster t-shirt, awesome. That's what it is. It's International Jazz Day, April 30th. But we look at the bullet points here and check this out. First grade is magical unicorn, men, women, kid, baby, gift. Like, what is going on here? Picnic, outdoor activities, fishing, swimming, daughter and son, nurse, male nurse, gift. Like, this is keyword stuffing at its best. Like this, I don't know if this really makes sense for anything else except like what I described is some kind of like a listing where a person, put this up specifically for International Jazz Day, and then maybe shared it with a small group of people, and then maybe over the last couple of days, a few people bought this, and that's why it's showing up here. But this to me is like a very confusing, very random, very word stuffy listing. And the fact that it's optimized at 50% is actually great because of how messy I would say this is. Hello Summer retro beach vacation t-shirt. So this one also showed up I think down here it is. And this is, and we've all seen these kind of like retro vintage style designs, but let's see what this says. Optimization 75%, and let's see why. And here's the thing, keyword, I have to mention keywords that I'm using. Hello Summer, like to me this is like very, very specific. I think a lot of customers would say something like retro design summer t-shirt or summer t-shirt or something like that. Like it maybe, maybe Hello Summer is a very trendy term that I might not use, on a daily basis. But that's what I used because that's what was in the title and the brand name. So based on this, Hello Summer, there was a match in the title, match in the brand, match in the features, not in the description, and the description was not an extremely long one, but still, this is optimized at 75%. Let's look at it. Brand name Hello Summer Retro Beach Wear. Perfect. Hello Summer Retro Beach Vacation T-shirt. Okay, great. Even my Chrome extension, I can't remember exactly what this one uh, is showing the exact keywords that are being picked up. This Chrome extension that basically tells you uh, when the product was uploaded, bestseller rank, keywords. Some of this stuff isn't working right now. Maybe I need to update or whatever, but it's still picking up the keywords, and it says that it's picking up Hello Summer Retro Beachwear. So going further, they have the same Hello Summer Retro Beachwear, and then they have Hello Summer Palm Tree Beach Vacation. So it, even though it looks like they're not using a lot of different words or length in their points, what they're doing is they're being very intentional about the words, and they're strategically using them over and over, because that has a higher chance of this product showing up in somebody's search when they're searching for summer retro beach vacation t-shirt, or summer palm tree, or summer, where was it, hello summer, or something like that, right? So that's the difference between something like this, where you get a bunch of nonsense, and then something like this that is very strategic, very much to the point, and very repetitive. And that's why you're going to see, this priced at a better price. You're going to get a bunch of ratings, basically, a somewhat of a decent bestseller rank here, basically meaning that this kind of sells from time to time. And even though it did show up on movers and shakers on a daily search, this has actually more sales than we would think. So that's kind of it. I wanted to, like I said, I wanted to go through, like, this could be sold to people who are looking for 10 different things. This is like very unique and weird, and then this is actually very decent and very nicely organized, very much to the point. You don't have to have points that are, where you max out your characters with word stuffing, because it will not help you out at all. So this is actually very good. So anyways, in the interest of time, I'm going to end it here. Hopefully this kind of gives you more information about how to structure your brand name, your title, your points, and then exactly what Amazon is looking for, at least based on the Merchant Former listing score checker information, when they're deciding which products to push in front of your customers. And it's usually match in the title, brand, match in features, description, and then to have a decently long description. That's what would push your listings to 100% of optimization. Anyways, going to leave it here. Like I said, thank you guys. As always, I'll talk to you soon.